Nigeria's premier economic and financial information hub, Proshare, and NASD Plc, Nigeria's foremost securities exchange for unquoted public companies, today announced a landmark partnership aimed at communicating the activities and developments of the NASD OTC markets towards fostering transparency, education, and growth. To mark this strategic collaboration, the NASD Plc and Proshare performed the formal signing ceremony at the NASD office in Lagos. The CEOs of Proshare and NASD Plc, Mr. Olufemi Awoyemi and Mr. Bola Ajomale respectively, speak on the significance of the memorandum of understanding and how it would impact the capital market.
The NASD OTC market represents for us about the next frontier. The early days may not show it, but it also provides an opportunity for us to jointly learn together. So we can learn from them, get better data, better quality information about a market that most discerning people understand is critical for the next level of growth in the Nigerian economy, especially the small businesses which you have and the emerging businesses which are still about. But it goes much more than just markets and securities alone. There are so many that can happen.
You know, NASD is all about creating liquidity in the market, improving the level of transparency in the capital market, also essentially shining a light on that economic activity, investment activity that's going on that really hasn't been on any organized market. So we're breaking ground into new markets. The best way of informing shareholders, investors, even the companies themselves as to how well they're doing is by getting the information out to them. Proshare has over time become a very reputable information platform, and as a result, people would find a lot of credibility in your platform, which means that NASD is turning out information, Proshare is repeating that information, vetting that information and repeating it. We will be providing information directly to Proshare. By this agreement, we will now be providing information directly to Proshare, which Proshare can then process and send out to its receivers.
We consider it a responsibility and a professional privilege to be able to partner with them and work in providing this information, helping to create a bridge between the market and the investors itself. And we believe that it would also test us in terms of professionalism and in terms of our expertise in meeting the market's needs.
So I think it's a great opportunity for the market to be better informed. It's an excellent way of sending out more information and also piquing the interest of those who are interested in knowing what's happening in the unlisted end of the market. It would allow us to dimension the capital market and the economy. If you don't report something, you don't know it's there, or other people do not know it's there. So what this does is it first and foremost creates an opportunity for people to know that there are other levels of economic activity, other levels of investment that is going on outside what has been hitherto recognized. It deepens the market, it deepens knowledge, it creates an opportunity for investors as well to then decide to make a decision as to whether they want to invest in this direction or in another direction, what end of the market they want to invest in, whether it's the big multinational end of the market or whether it's the SME side of the market. Now, NASD is involved in trying to create growth and trying to support the growth stage companies, the fast-growing companies, the ones that have a great future but have not yet got the capital for it. So because of that, this agreement will now allow those kind of companies even better access to financing.
For us, we think that we should prove ourselves continually every day to make sure that the information that ends up with the user is credible and not necessarily paid for, because that seems to be the notion. And if you're going to bring credibility to the market, financial information providers must make sure that people can vouch that the information is credible.
This partnership is a welcome development for the capital market, as it will contribute to the development of the Nigerian OTC market through quality, accurate, and credible information.